Every 3 seconds, someone is diagnosed with dementia, yet up to 40% are misdiagnosed, leading to emotional trauma and financial burden. Similarly, neurodiverse children with autism, ADHD are often misidentified due to outdated questionnaire based tools. The critical global gap in real time, accessible and affordable cognitive diagnostic, with expert to patient ratio up to 1 is to 5,000 and no scalable early screening options. Timely interventions remains out of reach for millions.
How we are solving this is through NEMA AI, which is a deep tech EEG based platform. And we use neuroscience and AI to detect early signs of cognitive decline. Our solution is hardware agnostic, compatible with any EEG headset, any hospital near you, and we provide results in just 15 minutes. Our cloud based dashboard generates real time, quantifiable brain metrics for dementia care, schools, and therapy centers, reducing misdiagnosis by 30% and cutting the cost by 40%. It's an affordable, accessible, and scalable system.
What sets NEMA AI apart is our patent pending EEG based cognitive fingerprinting and our AI's ability to generate a personalized intervention content through neuromapping. Unlike our competitors who rely on expensive MRIs, our solution is delivering in real time with AI backed cognitive insights both for clinical and non clinical settings. Our SaaS model allows plug and play use, instant scaling diagnostic, which makes the reach from 8 to 30 patients per day. With regulatory trials underway in partnership with hospitals like AIMS, Safdarjung, and global recognition from Shark Tank India, we have 20 plus countries who are behind us for demand in terms of this kind of product. We're building a strong IP, trust, traction simultaneously. Hi, I'm Nidhi.
And I am Samarth, and we are two co founders, an engineer, and a business strategist with over 6 years of experience in neuroscience, AI, and product development. We're backed by 10 neurologists across India, Singapore, and Abu Dhabi, and research collaborations with AIM, Manipal, and in Abu Dhabi Cleveland Clinic. Our team strikes the perfect balance of scientific rigor and commercial scalability. We're targeting the 12.6 billion global neurodiagnostic market, focusing on dementia, neurodiversity, and cognitive wellness. With 57 million dementia cases globally and 10 million new ones every year, the need is clearly very urgent. The early onset is now reported as young as just 45 years. Our platform is designed to be the go to EEG diagnostic layer in elder care, education, and therapy centers worldwide.
We have scanned over 2,000 individuals in the last 1 year and validated our tech over 15,000 individuals across our years. We are operational in India and Singapore with partnerships with 5 plus B2B partners, building a strong SaaS model. Our revenue last year stood at 17 lakhs with quarterly 4 to 6 lakhs run rate. We have raised 1.2 CR overall with TIH IT Bombay as our lead investor. Now we